baby doll. I can't move on.
We've known each other our whole lives, Hiccup, and I've never felt further away from you.
I can't move on, baby doll. Waiting on calls.